Hi guys and welcome back to our channel. My name is Aditi and today we're going to talk about how to make your home look and feel Japandi. For the past 2 years, our homes have become hubs for living, learning and working, which means maintaining any sense of balance and harmony has been challenging. This brings us to Japandi style, a modern Japanese interior design aesthetic that appears to be on everyone's radar this year. If you love the calmness of minimal interior but find contemporary design too stark, or if you are like a moth to a flame when it comes to grounding neutrals, and if decking your home out with earth-aware materials and finishes are a non-negotiable factor for you, then this video is for you because it sounds like Japandi style might be right up your alley. So let's get started. When it comes to Japandi style, use simple lines. Japandi interior styles are defined by their uncomplicated look and feel. One of the best places to start building that look is with furniture and accessories that have clean lines. No pretty scallop edging, no frills, no fuss, no art deco arcs and swags, just smooth and steady silhouettes. They don't all have to be razor sharp, but you're going to want to keep things simple, so your eye doesn't have to work as hard to read the room, but naturally glides around the space instead. Choose neutral paint colors and natural color schemes in your furnishings. Neutral paint colors are a great way to talk the Japandi talk. Both Japanese and Scandinavian interiors are influenced heavily by Mother Nature and the ease and flow that comes with colors inspired by the great outdoors. So work them into your room via your paint palette, fabrics and finishes. Beige tones are a perfect starting point. Wholesome and organic, clean and neutral, but also warm and comforting. These are the pillar stones for Japandi decor. Playing with contrast is a great way to make your home look and feel Japandi. You're probably getting the hint just from points 1 and 2 that Japandi style is about mixing things up. Rounding silhouettes with angled ones, varying tones of neutrals, maybe with some classic darker tones popular in the Japandi design. And by its very nature, two overseas aesthetics in one room, Japanese and Scandinavian. The key is to identify harmonious contrasts that aren't a shock to the system when you lay eyes on them. The Japandi philosophy isn't about pulse-raising touches. Use natural and eco-friendly materials when it comes to Japandi. Wood is one of the most popular renewable materials to bring into your interior, but there are plenty of other headlining natural materials to weave into your space. Grasses and reeds such as rattan, kubu, jute, etc. are all born from the earth and provide buckets of texture too. Functionality and less is more are the two guiding mantras for Japandi style enthusiasts. Key to that overriding feeling of soothing simplicity is reducing the amount of stuff that you have in your room. And we don't just mean the things that are on show. It's no good shoving all of your bits and bobs into cupboards, because the moment you open them to find that vase, that book, that record, your Japandi vibe will come undone. Keep things clean and clear behind closed doors too, and you'll feel all the better for it. Tidy space means tidy mind. With less paraphernalia on the show, the more focus on having only items that you love and need, you'll find that function sneaks up the importance list. Japandi interiors encourage you to think long and hard about how you're going to use the room. That way, it can behave as beautifully as it looks, responding to your every whim with empathetic ease. Quality, not quantity, is the way to go for Japandi style. Like we said, quality, not quantity. Partly to do with its eco-aware principles of buying once and buying well, and partly to do with Japandi's appreciation for artisans and the individuality that comes with their creations. Fine craftsmanship is a big one to tick before you invite a piece of furniture to move in with you. More than that, tip-top making applies to absolutely everything in your Japandi style room, accessories, lighting, the lot. Even if it means forking out a little extra up front, the thinking is that you'll treasure it all the more and it will be built with the long game in mind so that you're investing in your furniture's future, the maker themselves and the planet. Balancing your lighting is a critical part to make your home look and feel Japandi. The Jap in Japandi will bring out the task-style lighting areas of the room where it's all about function. Your reading lamps, your spotlights, over work surfaces, your angle-poised desk lamp. The Andy part is all about Scandi softness that promises ambience and a nurturing atmosphere. Your room's lighting will be a tale of two halves with Japandi styling in mind, and trust us, it means you'll have all bases covered. When it comes to Japandi style, it's really important that you ground yourself. This point is more of a lifestyle outcome than a styling tip, but it's a reminder to really let your space work its magic on you. You've purposefully designed a space that's consciously chill and restorative, so let it do its thing, let its mellow and minimal nature wash over you, and let your Japandi decor firmly root your mood. 10 minutes in its company and you'll feel grounded with a capital G. If you love the Japandi style and are tempted to make these small changes, go for it. Introduce just one of these elements and you'll already be making your home look and feel more Japandi. This is it for this video. If you liked our video, then don't forget to give us a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel.